What if the secret to modern luxury travel wasn't invented today, but perfected nearly 70 years ago? Imagine a sleek, silver trailer gliding down the highway in 1956, turning heads not just for its shine, but for its futuristic design and unmatched comfort. This wasn't science fiction. It was the Airstream Flying Cloud 22. Built in an era when most campers were boxy and basic, this aerodynamic marvel redefined what it meant to travel the open road. So how did this aluminum icon become one of the most influential travel trailers ever made? The vision behind the Flying Cloud came from Wally Byam, a man who believed travel should be comfortable, efficient, and accessible. Unlike the bulky wooden travel trailers common in the 1950s, the Flying Cloud embraced a philosophy of lightweight mobility combined with durability. Its streamlined, aircraft-inspired shape wasn't just for looks. It reduced drag and improved fuel efficiency, something almost unheard of in trailer design at the time. Byam aimed to create a home on wheels that could travel anywhere, from paved highways to rugged landscapes, without sacrificing comfort. This approach set the Flying Cloud apart as both a practical tool and a symbol of freedom. At its core, the Flying Cloud was built on a robust yet lightweight steel chassis, engineered for long-distance durability. Airstream utilized semi-monocoque construction, a technique borrowed from aircraft manufacturing, where the aluminum shell itself contributed to structural strength. This eliminated the need for heavy internal framing, reducing weight while maintaining rigidity. The riveted aluminum panels not only enhanced durability, but also resisted weathering far better than wood-bodied competitors. Precision craftsmanship played a major role, with each unit hand-assembled to ensure quality. This innovative engineering foundation allowed the Flying Cloud to withstand decades of use, making it one of the longest-lasting travel trailers ever produced. While the Flying Cloud lacked its own engine, its mechanical brilliance lay in how it interacted with its towing vehicle. Designed for optimal weight distribution, it featured a low center of gravity and balanced axle placement, ensuring stability even at highway speeds. Its aerodynamic profile significantly reduced wind resistance compared to traditional trailers, making it easier to tow with mid-century cars. Advanced torsion axle suspension provided smoother rides over uneven terrain, reducing vibrations inside the cabin. Additionally, its compact 22-foot length struck a balance between maneuverability and interior space. These technical innovations made the Flying Cloud not just towable, but enjoyable to tow, even on long cross-country journeys. Over time, the Flying Cloud proved itself as a remarkably reliable travel companion. Owners often towed it across thousands of miles without major structural issues, thanks to its resilient aluminum body and smart engineering. As automotive technology improved, newer towing vehicles allowed the trailer to reach higher cruising speeds with greater efficiency. Many units were later upgraded with modern electrical systems, improved plumbing, and enhanced insulation, extending their usability into the 21st century. These updates transformed the Flying Cloud from a simple mid-century camper into a timeless travel solution. Its adaptability ensured that it remained relevant, serving generations of travelers while retaining its original charm and functionality. The Flying Cloud's iconic polished aluminum exterior became its signature look, sleek, reflective, and instantly recognizable. Inspired by aircraft design, its rounded edges eliminated harsh lines, giving it a futuristic aesthetic decades ahead of its time. Inside, the trailer was surprisingly spacious and thoughtfully arranged. It featured built-in cabinetry, a compact kitchen, sleeping quarters, and even a small bathroom, luxuries in the 1950s camping world. Materials were chosen for both durability and comfort, including lightweight metals and practical fabrics. The interior design balanced efficiency with coziness, creating a welcoming environment that felt like a true mobile home rather than a temporary shelter. The Flying Cloud quickly became a favorite among adventurous families, retirees, and road trip enthusiasts. It was especially popular within the Wally Byam Caravan Club International, where members embarked on organized caravans across continents. These journeys showcased the trailer's reliability and versatility, as it handled diverse terrains and climates. Owners appreciated its ability to provide consistent comfort no matter the destination, from national parks to remote countryside roads. Its design allowed for extended travel without the need for hotels, making it a cost-effective and liberating alternative. In real-world use, the Flying Cloud wasn't just transportation. It was a lifestyle. Today, many original Flying Cloud trailers from 1956 are still in existence, a testament to their durability. Enthusiasts and collectors have restored numerous units, preserving their vintage charm while upgrading essential systems for modern use. Some examples are displayed in automotive and travel museums, where they are celebrated as milestones in design and engineering. Others remain on the road, maintained by dedicated owners who value authenticity. The continued presence of these trailers highlights their exceptional build quality and cultural importance. Rather than fading into obscurity, the Flying Cloud has become a cherished classic, bridging the gap between mid-century innovation and contemporary appreciation. The influence of the Flying Cloud extends far beyond its era. It helped define the identity of Airstream as a pioneer in travel trailer design and set standards that continue to shape the industry today. Its aerodynamic form inspired generations of RV manufacturers, while its emphasis on durability and comfort redefined expectations for mobile living. More importantly, it played a role in popularizing the concept of road travel as a cultural experience. Even in today's world of high-tech RVs, the Flying Cloud remains a symbol of freedom, innovation, and timeless design, a reminder that great ideas never go out of style. The 1956 Airstream Flying Cloud 22 isn't just a travel trailer, it's a piece of moving history. It represents a time when innovation met adventure and when the open road promised endless possibilities. Its legacy lives on in every modern RV and every traveler chasing freedom beyond the horizon. If you enjoyed this journey into automotive history, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more stories like this. And tell us in the comments, would you take a cross-country trip in a vintage Flying Cloud?